Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. But as you can see from the title of the video, I ended up getting a new bag that just came in the mail yesterday. So I was like, why not come up here and do an unboxing to show y'all what I got. So without further ado, I will show what I ended up getting. So this is one of the Marc Jacobs bags that is actually, they're having a sale right now on their website. So I was scrolling through and I wanted something a little bit smaller. And as you can see, hint, hint, I like pink. So when y'all see the bag, then you will understand. But I wanted something kind of small to like carry because I have like big purses, medium size to like large bags. So I was like, I wanted something a little bit smaller that I can carry around. And I also got it in one of my favorite colors. So let's open it and see. So it did come in a box, but I went ahead and took it out of the box. But when I took it out of the box, it was wrapped in this black paper like this, and also still in the plastic. I haven't even looked at it, so we're going to be looking at it together. So they had it wrapped so pretty too. I started to take this part off, but I was like, I'll just open it on camera. But it also came with the yellow instructions that come inside. Basically, like they send like the shipping label back if you want to return it, and they also put the receipt in there as well. So that was also in there. And then and it also comes in another plastic bag, fully wrapped. And this is my this is my fourth Marc Jacobs bag. So all of their packaging like come packaged up like this. So very good, very protected. So I have to give them that. But so not only it's out of this plastic, it's also wrapped in plastic again. So let's undo this one, and here is the reveal. Look at my nails, and I just got my nails painted this color today. Like, I don't know, maybe I did it for this reason, but it ended up matching on the perfect day to unbox this. So it comes with another yellow tag. Basically, it says the same thing. It retails, I think this is what it retails for. So it retails for $325 originally, but on the website they had it for $195 with an additional, I think it came at a $195 with the additional 20% off because they had a percentage off on it, and then additional 20 once you put it in the cart and checked out. So, but I like it. It's like a one handle like sash you can just carry. It don't have any long ones that you can make as like a crossbody. It's just basically for you to hand carry like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just take all the paper off because I don't need this. But like I said, it do have these are the retail stickers that come on it, but I don't have no scissors or knife or anything over here, but okay. So we got that off. Let's go ahead and take off this paper so you can get a full inside look of the bag. I like the handle light, and it's very sturdy like when you hold it. So let's take the paper out. So basically this is the paper that was in it, and this is the dust cover bag when you want to store it and put it away when you're not using it. All their bags come with dust cover bags, which I think are so cute. And oh, they got it nice and folded. So this is the dust cover bag. It has like a drawstring on it, and you can basically pull it together to tighten it once the bag is in there. So nice little storage bag. Let's get all the inside pieces out. Ooh, okay. And it is a snap, so this is what the inside actually looks like. Like I say, it's not meant to be filled to the brim, but I could put my DJI camera here, my wallet, keys, my phone when I just want to go out with something light. So it has the inside in like that, and it has like a snap like that when you do it. So, and it's very, very magnetic. So, but this is what it looked like without the divider inside, but this is the actual divider that came with it that you can also add into the bag. And I thought this was so cute. I was on the fence of getting it because I don't know, I have like a lot of purses as is, but I don't have like this color pink. I think I have like a light pink in like one of my Telfar bags. But so this is the actual bag that you could put in the inside that has more stuff in there. This is probably the cleaning instructions, and then it also comes with this, but we don't need that. So this is when you have it in the inside and you just kind of like just want to put some stuff in the inside, and it kind of like use it as a divider. But it has two magnets, one on that side and then one on that side, so when you do put it in the bag, it can attach to it. But I'm gonna do it with you all so that y'all will see. But so let's put this. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to push this down to do it. Like I said, I don't have this version, but I do have the tote bags. But this is my first time getting one of the sack bags, so I think this got to go the other way, which I am very intrigued. I like it a lot. And it has this clip that you can also clip here on the inside. Let me see if I can see that. So it's like a clip there. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's a little silver piece where you can clip this to your bag so that if you accidentally pull it out, it's not coming out of the bag, it's attached to the purse. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, because I probably end up keeping this part in the inside of the bag anyway, so that I can put like maybe my lip glosses or stuff to keep it separate from like my phone and keys. So I'm gonna put that there and then that one there. So when you do have this bag attached to your bag on the inside, it magnets like that. So it has a good seal of a magnet, I would say, but not as strong as it was when I didn't have the bag in there and it snapped close together. But I guess it'll work for now. But yes, this is my new baby to add to my collection, because like I say, I do have quite a few purses that are in my closet, and this is my first sack bag, which I probably will be rocking this very soon because spring is coming. And they had this color. They had some other colors that were still available. Like most of the popular ones were kind of like sold out, but they did have pink. They had like a sky blue. They had a green one left and some other colors. But I would say go check out their website, because like I said, they're having a sale right now. So if you want to get you a bag, like I said, they're originally priced for like $325, but if you're trying to get it lower than that, like I say, it was like $195 with taxes and everything at the end, then you might want to go get you one for spring, because like I say, it's very cute, very demure, very pretty, matching my nails. So I look forward to using it. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna put my phone in there and see what it's gonna be like. I'm gonna have to figure this part out though. Maybe because I haven't used it, but I think it's supposed to go down a little bit because I'm not liking that it keep coming from the Velcro. But I'm gonna put my phone in there and see. Maybe I need to put some heavy stuff in there to get it in there. So matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna do. Let me go get my wallet and stuff. So here is another one of my Marc Jacobs bags that I ordered about 2 weeks ago before I went on a cruise, because I was originally supposed to be flying and this was going to be my carry-on bag, but we ended up driving to Miami, so I still took it. It was still my carry-on bag. I still had stuff in there, but this is one of the bigger bags that I had got off their site. But as you can see, comparisons. But I'm gonna get my Ray-Ban glasses. So I have my Ray-Ban glasses in here with the case. I'm gonna add my wallet and my hand sanitizer just to see. So I don't know if I'm liking this centerpiece in there. I don't know. It keeps coming apart. I don't like that. Yeah. Let me see what it's like without the centerpiece in there. I might wear it like this because it snaps better. But then I don't know what I'm going to do with this. So we'll see. But this is my wallet. So I got my wallet in here. My phone case. My eyeglass case. And my keys will go in there, which I don't think I have my, oh, I do got my keys. So I know I got a lot of stuff on my keys, but when I'm walking with my kids and stuff, I got to put it on my wrist. And I can throw my keys in there. So, and of course I'll throw like a lip gloss in there or whatever, but that's pretty much basically all I'll be carrying, and it looks like this. So this is actually with everything in there. Like the stuff that I have, like this is about how much space I have. So I still got quite a bit of space to put a little bit more items in there. Like I said, I don't want it to feel like too heavy, like I'm carrying my big bag, because that's not the intention. I want to get used to like carrying something small and sleek. And I don't know, if I like it, I may try to go and get some of the other colors. But thank you all for watching. So if you're new here, I will have more videos coming up on some items that I purchased to share with you all. But thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you all in my next video.